Welcome all of you. In this video lecture, we will going to understand about mutagens. What are mutagens? The agents causing mutation are known as mutagens. Mutagens may be physical or chemical agents. Physical agents or physical mutagens consist of ionizing radiations and non-ionizing radiations. You have heard about alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays, and X rays. These are physical mutagens, while chemical mutagens are the chemical substances which causes mutations. For example, alkylating agents, deamination agents. I have taken example of one physical and one chemical mutagens and the mutation caused by them. Let us understand both of them one by one. The first one is physical mutagen. See, physical mutagen is the mutation caused by physical agents such as uh, ionizing radiations or non-ionizing radiations. Here, it is a section of our DNA consisting of TT. This is one of the strand, as DNA is double stranded. This is one of the strand consisting of TT. T is pairing with A, and this T is also pairing with A of the another strand. Okay. Now, what actually happens? The UV radiations causes a breakage of AT bond. Okay, the A bond with T is break, and here also AT bond is broken, and there is a bond formation between T and T. So an unusual bond between T and T forms, which is known as thymine dimer. See, this is the bond between T and T of the same strand. So a unusual thymine dimer is formed. This is very much lethal. Okay, and what happens due to this? A kink appears in the DNA. Originally this T is binding with this one, this A of the another strand, but due to UV radiation, the bond between AT is broken, and the bond between TT of the same strand is established, and TT dimer formation takes place. This is very lethal, and UV rays causes mutation in our DNA, and it may also lead to skin cancer. However, there is an enzyme known as photolyase which gets activated during night or in darkness, and it breaks that TT bond and again re-establish the bond between A and T. So in night, during darkness, our enzyme photolyase repairs this damage. But if the ratio of damage is more than that of the repair, then we will suffer from several skin diseases as well as skin cancer. Okay. Now next type of mutation caused by physical mutagen is presented here. There is a chemical known as 5-bromouracil. This is similar in structure to thymine but unnaturally pairs with guanine. It is a base homologue. Okay. Actually, normally there is a bond between AT, adenine, and thymine, but 5-bromouracil, if it is present in the cell, mimics thymine. Okay, so during replication, the mechanism of replication considers this 5-bromouracil as thymine, and substitute or replaces or incorporate this one in place of thymine. So a bond is developed between 5-bromouracil and adenine. Okay. After replication, what happens? This bromouracil is getting incorporated in each step. Okay, and due to this 5-bromouracil, which is actually similar in structure to thymine, okay, but unnaturally pairs with guanine. It is similar in structure to thymine. So what do you consider? That this is similar in structure with thymine, so it should pair with adenine, but it unnaturally pairs with guanine. So in the next phase of replication, it will pair up with guanine. See, what will happen after that? When the next phase of replication occurs, then this guanine containing strand will also replicate. This bromouracil containing strand will also replicate or produces its daughter strand. Then this bromouracil containing strand, okay, and this is the strand containing what? Guanine. In the first phase of replication, adenine is replaced by guanine because of the incorporation of bromouracil. And in the next phase of replication, this bromouracil containing strand is replicated, and this one is also replicated. So when it replicates, it will produce a strand containing C, because G find its complement with C. So what actually happens here, the TA, the nucleotide or the segment containing TA gets completely replaced by CG. So this 5-bromouracil is very much lethal, and it causes a severe change in the genetic composition. I hope you have understood the mutagens and their types. Thank you very much for listening.